For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a cigarette business is a complex venture due to tight regulations, health concerns, and established industry giants. However, with the help of AI tools, you can improve your market analysis, product development, compliance, and operations. This step-by-step guide will walk you through launching a cigarette brand using artificial intelligence to your advantage. Step 1. Conduct market research using AI. Before diving in, understand the legal and consumer landscape. Use AI tools. ChatGPT for trend analysis and research prompts. Google Trends to analyze demand across regions. Crayon or SEMrush for competitor intelligence. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Analyze the current trends in the global and U.S. cigarette market, including consumer preferences, top competitors, and projected growth or decline. Tasks. Identify your target market, e.g., budget smokers, premium buyers, niche organic tobacco users. Understand age demographics, health concerns, and purchase behaviors. Research top-selling brands and their differentiators. Step 2. Design a business plan with AI. You need a solid business plan to pitch to investors or secure funding. Use AI tools. ChatGPT or Notion AI for creating full business plans. Upmetrics AI Business Plan Generator for structured formats. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Write a professional business plan for a startup cigarette company that plans to sell organic hand-rolled cigarettes to health-conscious adult smokers in U.S. states where tobacco sales are legal. Include executive summary, market analysis, SWOT analysis, product description, financial projections, marketing strategy, risk factors and compliance overview. Step 3. Navigate legal and regulatory compliance. Tobacco is one of the most regulated industries. You must comply with local, state, and federal regulations. Use AI tools. ChatGPT for legal summaries. Harvey for legal professionals. AI that assists with document drafting and review. Do not pay AI for license and permit guides. Prompt example for ChatGPT. List the licenses, permits, and regulatory requirements needed to manufacture and sell cigarettes in the state of your state in the U.S. Tasks. Register your business. Apply for a tobacco manufacturer permit with the Alcohol and Tobacco Tax and Trade Bureau, TTB. Meet FDA tobacco regulations, labeling, ingredient disclosure, warning labels. Secure state-level licensing. Establish age verification mechanisms. Step 4. Formulate product and source materials. Decide what type of cigarettes you will offer. Regular, menthol, organic, flavored, filtered, hand-rolled, or machine-made. Use AI tools. ChatGPT for supplier research prompts. Alibaba's AI sourcing assistant to find tobacco suppliers. Jasper or Copy.ai to write product descriptions. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Find reputable raw tobacco suppliers for cigarette production that support small-scale manufacturers and can ship to the U.S. Tasks. Source high-quality tobacco and filters. Decide packaging material, eco-friendly, branded packs, bulk. Design your product line based on customer segment research. Step 5. Create brand identity and packaging with AI. Your brand and packaging are essential for standing out, especially with restrictions on tobacco advertising. Use AI tools. Midjourney or DALL-E to generate packaging concepts. Loka or Canva AI to create logos and branding kits. ChatGPT for branding strategies and name generation. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Generate 10 brand name ideas for a luxury organic cigarette brand targeted at millennials. Include taglines and tone suggestions. Tasks. Develop a brand voice, luxury, rebellious, traditional, eco-conscious. Design compliant packaging that includes mandatory health warnings. Register trademarks. Step 6. Plan manufacturing and logistics. Decide whether you'll manufacture your own cigarettes or outsource. Use AI tools. Katana MRP for AI-powered manufacturing planning. ChatGPT for finding contract manufacturing options. ShipBob AI to manage warehousing and shipping. Prompt example for ChatGPT. List the pros and cons of outsourcing cigarette manufacturing versus setting up an in-house facility for a startup in the U.S. Tasks. Choose a production method, automated versus hand-rolled. Find a compliant manufacturer or build your own facility. Set up warehousing and shipping pipelines. Implement inventory and quality control systems. Step 7. Build a marketing strategy with AI. Marketing is heavily restricted in tobacco, so you'll need creative, compliant tactics. Use AI tools. ChatGPT or Jasper for generating marketing ideas. Add creative.ai to generate social media visuals. Surfer SEO for content creation and keyword optimization. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Create a compliant marketing strategy for a cigarette brand targeting smokers in legal adult-only settings. Include ideas for POS, partnerships, and organic social content. Tactics. Partner with adult-only venues, bars, lounges. Use branded merchandise, clothing, accessories. Build a smoker loyalty app with age verification. Focus on packaging as a form of silent advertisement. SEO optimize your website for adult smokers searching for alternatives. Step 8. Launch your business website and e-commerce with AI. While you may face restrictions online, some states allow adult-only online sales with strict verification. Use AI tools. Shopify plus Shopify Magic to create a store with AI content. Durable.co AI website builder. Passbase or age-checked for AI-powered age verification. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Write homepage copy for a cigarette brand that offers premium, organic hand-rolled tobacco products to adult smokers in the U.S. with verified delivery. Tasks. Create an e-commerce site with age gates. Add product descriptions, FAQs, and verification pages. Integrate payment gateways and shipping policies. Include disclaimers and compliance notices. Step 9. Monitor performance and optimize using AI. Track sales, customer behavior, inventory, and adjust accordingly. Use AI tools. Google Analytics plus ChatGPT to interpret site data. Zoho CRM or HubSpot AI for customer tracking. Monkey Learn to analyze customer feedback. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Analyze this sales data and suggest 3 ways to improve customer retention and boost repeat purchases. Tasks. Adjust pricing based on performance. Improve customer retention with loyalty programs. A/B test email campaigns and landing pages. Monitor regulations and public sentiment continuously. Final thoughts. Starting a cigarette business in today's world is possible, but comes with significant challenges. AI tools can help reduce cost, improve efficiency, maintain compliance, and create a professional presence that helps you stand out legally and effectively. By combining AI-driven decision-making with a sharp understanding of regulations and customer behavior, you can bring a modern approach to one of the oldest industries in the world. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.